Hi everybody, it's David Lee here. So for my team and for those who are interested, this is shigumchi. This is making this recipe here late Thursday evening, but it's because I don't want the spinach to go bad. So you get 2 bunches of spinach, okay, in a porcelain bowl or a glass bowl, and I've half cooked it for about 6-7 minutes or 5 minutes, okay. Doesn't take a lot to half cook spinach, all right, but you still want it crunchy, okay. You don't want to overcook it. So this is a Korean recipe that I do. It's an Asian salad basically using spinach, but it's marinated. It's like pickled, okay? And what I do is I turn my camera down here. You can see that. You can see, there we go. Hope you guys can see that. So you can see my cutting board, right? I've got some chopped up zucchini, 3 pieces of green onions chopped, about 4 cloves, good chunks of, cloves of garlic minced, and I got chopped up about, 8-9 baby carrots, okay? Just to throw in there. So I'm going to throw in the zucchini. You just throw everything in. Very easy to do. Okay? And you want to get the whole spinach. I actually get the whole spinach at Farm Boys. Okay? The ones that are bunched up where you still have the stem and the leaves all together. And let me get my sesame oil and rice vinegar. Okay? Let me just get some of my ingredients. So you're going to put in about 1 ounce of rice vinegar, okay? Having a hard time opening this thing. Okay, here we go. So I just, splash it in. Okay, I put in about maybe 2 ounces, 1.5 ounces. It's a big bowl. Then I'm going to throw in, I measure this out. Tablespoon, right? About a tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay? Probably 2. Because this is a lot of spinach. I got 2 bunches of spinach in here. I mean, I want this to last me a few days, right? And it'll last in the fridge for a week or so, even longer. Because it marinated, it pickles, right? So this goes with rice, this goes with my dinners, this goes with almost everything. And it's so healthy for you. Iron, spinach has got all kinds of nutrients in it. Especially iron, chlorophyll, calcium. Okay, then I'm going to do low sodium, right? This is low sodium. Kikkoman, right? Tamari or soy sauce. Loblaws, health food store. I put a tablespoon in. Okay? Now you go by kind of, what you think. So I'm thinking I may need to add, you want to taste it depending on how salty you want it. Just remember, soy sauce is very high in salt. Like 1,000, I think it's 750 milligrams sodium. Okay, so I think that's good. I think I got enough sodium in there. I'll put a half a tablespoon in. Just another half. Okay? And then what I do is I add a little bit of, just a smidgen, teaspoon or half a teaspoon of sugar. Not a lot, just a half a teaspoon like that, of real brown sugar. 2/3 of a teaspoon, not quite a teaspoon. And I mix it in. So this is called shigumchi. Alright? So I'm just going to show you the end result here. Yeah, you're probably thinking, you can think of better ways of spending a Thursday evening, right? What can I tell you, man? Now I don't have to make Asian salad for the next 4 or 5 days. And I have this in my fridge. Alright, everybody. Have an awesome Easter weekend. Take care.